A composite object is the result of combining two or more objects to make a new object. So it's just two things put together. So we have a composite object, and we want to find the volume for this object. So we have half of a sphere, which is called the hemisphere, and a cylinder. So we know that the volume for a cylinder is equal to pi r squared height. And for a sphere, it's 4 pi r squared. So, not 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Now, if it's a hemisphere, then we can divide it in half to find that. But we'll do that after. So we're going to find our volumes. So we know our radius is 18, and we know our height is 32. So if we do the cylinder first, volume will equal pi times r, which is 18, squared, times 32. Type this all into your calculator. You should get 32,572 centimeters cubed. To find the sphere, the volume will be 4 pi times r, which is 18, cubed, divided by 3. Type this all into your calculator, and you should get 24,429 centimeters cubed. Now we only want half of the circle because we only have half on our composite object. So to find the hemisphere, we'll take 24,429 and divide it in half. And you should get 12,214.5 centimeters cubed. To find the entire composite object, we're going to add together this number, which is our cylinder, and our hemisphere. So 32,572 plus 12,214.5, and our final answer is 44,786.5 centimeters cubed. So that is the volume of the entire composite object. For the next example, we want to find the surface area of this house shape. So if we were to draw the net of just the top pyramid, we have our middle and our 4 triangles. And we know that the slant height is 4 on all of them. And that the base is 5 on all of them. Now, because we're doing surface area, that base doesn't actually touch the outside of the surface. So we don't want to count it in our surface area. So for the pyramid, all we're going to have is 4 of the outside shapes. So for the pyramid, our surface area is going to be equal to 4b, which is 4 times base times height divided by 2. Our base is 5, our height is 4, and we're going to divide it by 2. So the surface area of the triangle outsides is 40 meters squared. Now the cube, if you were to unroll a cube, it's like a 6-sided dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like this. And we know that all the dimensions of this cube are 5. 5's everywhere. And because we don't have anything anything touching that one section of the cube, the top of the cube, where it's not part of the surface, we do not want to count one of the cubes in our surface area. So we're going to add together 5 C's for our cube. And the surface area for a cube is length times width and we know that the length and the width are 5's. So 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 meters squared. So to find the total of our composite object, we're going to add together both of our surface areas. So 40 plus 125, which is 165 meters squared. So that's our surface area.